आपको गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? Why are you getting angry?
Why are you getting angry?
प्लीज मुझे माफ कर देना अगर मैंने कुछ गलत किया हो. Please forgive me if I have done anything wrong.
Please forgive me if I have done anything wrong.
उसके पास कंप्यूटर है. He has got a computer.
He has got a computer.
तुम खुशनसीब हो कि मैं तुम्हें मिली. You are lucky to have me.
You are lucky to have me.
मैं हर पल तुम्हारे साथ था. I was there with you every moment.
I was there with you every moment.
एक बात तो पक्की है तुम कभी नहीं सुधरोगे. One thing is sure, you will never improve.
One thing is sure, you will never improve.
तुम मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why are you asking me?
Why are you asking me?
मैंने उससे निवेदन किया तब भी वो नहीं आई. I requested her even then she didn't come.
I requested her even then she didn't come.
हम तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहे हैं. We've been waiting for you.
We've been waiting for you.
बिजली चमक रही है. It is lightning.
It is lightning.
क्या राम अंदर है? Is Ram in?
Is Ram in?
तुम्हारी माँ को आटा गूंधने में कितना वक्त लगता है? How long does it take your mom to knead the flour?
How long does it take your mom to knead the flour?
मैं यह सब करने के मौके ढूंढता रहता हूँ. I look out for chances to do all this.
I look out for chances to do all this.
रोहन कहाँ रहता है? Where does Rohan live?
Where does Rohan live?
यहाँ सर्दियों में बहुत ठंड हो सकती है. It can be very cold here in winter.
It can be very cold here in winter.
जितना जल्दी हो सके. As soon as possible.
As soon as possible.
मैं आपको किसी से मिलवाना चाहता हूँ. I want to introduce you to someone.
I want to introduce you to someone.
8:30 बजा है. It's 8:30.
It's 8:30.
वही तो, तुम अभी भी वैसी हो. That's just it. You're still the same.
That's just it. You're still the same.
माँ से क्यों छुपा रहा है? Why are you hiding from mother?
Why are you hiding from mother?
आपके सीनियर्स से बात करने की तमीज नहीं है तुम्हें. You don't have manners to talk to your seniors.
You don't have manners to talk to your seniors.
हम सब तुम्हारे साथ पुलिस स्टेशन चलेंगे. We'll all go with you to the police station.
We'll all go with you to the police station.
वो मेरे लिए एक खूनी से बका कुछ नहीं है. He is not more than a killer for me.
He is not more than a killer for me.
तो तुम मानते हो कि जरूरत सब कुछ है और फीलिंग्स कुछ नहीं है? So you believe needs are everything and feelings are nothing?
So you believe needs are everything and feelings are nothing?
आपके साथ किसी की नहीं पटती. No one can adjust with you.
No one can adjust with you.
तुम थके हुए लग रहे हो. You look tired.
You look tired.
क्या पीऊं? What to drink?
What to drink?
यह बैग बहुत भारी है. This bag is very heavy.
This bag is very heavy.
अपने जूते उतार दो. Take your shoes off.
Take your shoes off.
क्या आप श्योर हो? Are you sure?
Are you sure?
क्या है? What is it?
What is it?
या तो मुझे जाने दो या फिर तुम जाओ. Either let me go or you go yourself.
Either let me go or you go yourself.
सोनाली को यहाँ आना है. Sonali has to come here.
Sonali has to come here.
बचाव कार्य चल रहा है. The rescue operation is being held up.
The rescue operation is being held up.
मैं मनी लेने कहाँ आऊं? Where should I come to collect the money?
Where should I come to collect the money?
मेरे नजरिए से. From my point of view.
From my point of view.
मुझे शांति से पेशाब करने दो. Let me pee in peace.
Let me pee in peace.
मन कर रहा है. I am feeling like.
I am feeling like.
आ सको तो आ जाना. Come if you can.
Come if you can.
यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. It is my responsibility.
It is my responsibility.
उसने जॉब क्यों छोड़ी? Why did he quit the job?
Why did he quit the job?
मुझे इसका कोई पछतावा नहीं है. I've no regrets about it.
I've no regrets about it.
तब जाकर उसने मेरे पैसे वापस किया. Then at last he returned my money.
Then at last he returned my money.
हो सकता है उसके पास किताब हो. He may have a book.
He may have a book.
जहां तक मैं जानता हूं वो ऐसा नहीं कर सकता. As far as I know he can't do so.
As far as I know he can't do so.
यहाँ ऐसा कुछ नहीं जो मुझे आकर्षित कर सके. There is nothing that can attract me.
There is nothing that can attract me.
मुझे पता लगा कि वो कहाँ थी. I found out where she was.
I found out where she was.
मैंने इतने बुरे हालात का सामना कभी नहीं किया. I have never experienced such a bad situation.
I have never experienced such a bad situation.
यह खरीदने के लिए तुम्हें पैसे कहाँ से मिले? Where did you get the money to buy this?
Where did you get the money to buy this?
मैं 2 घंटे से ठंड से कांप रहा हूँ. I have been shivering with cold for 2 hours.
I have been shivering with cold for 2 hours.